Good evening. I'm Sylvia, the Crafty Old Lady. Today I'm going to be working on Margarete Miller's collage assignment number 4. I need a map with roads, and this was the closest thing I could come to that. It's a little map of New York City. I don't know what year this book was published. I don't remember, but here's the Statue of Liberty down here, Governor's Island, and then it says West Side Highway, Broadway, East River Drive. So this is going to be my road map with streets and roads. Something that needs water is my little tree. Something with wheels is my little car, and I thought this one went well with the age of the map. A handwritten note or signature. I can just sign my name somewhere. Polka dots and black and white. I was thinking I might do... I have polka dot markers, but I don't know if I have a black one. Probably not. No, there's no black, unfortunately. So I was thinking I could do black and white polka dots, but I'm going to have to come up with something else for polka dots, I do believe. Well, I don't have to have black and white polka dots. I can have all different kinds of polka dots, and make a few black and white. How about that? Yeah. Some of this is kind of gray and black, though. Well, I do have a white pen, and I have a sort of a black little koi brush pen. Maybe I can make a couple of black and white polka dots with that. The first thing I want to do, though, is make my map the background. So I'm going to need... I want to make sure I have all 3 of these roads in there, so I'm going to kind of cut this straight. And then see if it'll work. I hope you're all doing well. Let's see. Yep, all 3 of the streets will be there. So I just have to... Well, probably I should have it so that the names are showing too. So if I do it here, it'll work. So I hope you're all doing well. I hope you're happy and healthy and safe. And I'm going to cut these down, and then we will be back to... I'll probably glue it down off camera and then put on our elements. Alright, so I'm going to put my car here. As you can see, I have my background down. Tree's going to go there. Car's going to go there. I'm going to sign my name over here. And I'm just going to put a few polka dots. Oh, black and white was the bonus, so I don't actually have to do black and white. So I think I won't do black and white. But I will do some kind of tannish polka dots. Some are big, and some are little. I don't know. That's kind of cute, I think, actually. I might put some more on, but for now, I'm going to glue down my other little elements. And we shall be just about done. Are you participating in Margarete Miller's collage assignments this year? Let me know. I debated whether I wanted to or not, but I decided to because it's a good challenge and it's a good practice for collage making, you know, and getting better at it and making good compositions and such. I mean, you can do it without putting it on the internet too. Put the car right there, I do believe. And I need to sign my name, and I'm going to sign it in pencil. So I'm just going to sign my first name. There we go. And then I'm going to put a few more polka dots down, and we're going to be done. Okay, what do you say? I'll hold it up close and you can see what it looks like up close. See if I can get more light on the subject. Alright, there it is. Let's make sure we have everything we need. A map with roads, something that needs water, something with wheels, a handwritten signature, and polka dots. Alright, I think I've fulfilled all the requirements. I did not do the bonus, but that's okay. Yeah, so tomorrow, or next week, we have a few other things to do. Oh, my page. Oh, I thought my page was ripping out of the book, but it's not. It's just not glued all the way. Let's get that down. I'm having a hard time. This doesn't want to come out. There. I'm having a hard time with glue sticks. Any kind. I don't know why. They're just not working. I'm not putting enough on, or what? Okay, so my binding is... I had to re-glue my binding because this was falling apart already. And I'm hoping it will last for the whole year. Anyways, thanks so much for watching. I hope you're doing well. Check out my freebies of appreciation on my Ko-fi page. And I'll see you again next week. Well, or sooner, because I'm still doing Junk Journal January. And other things, you know, my personal journal stuff. And this is my personal memory keeping journal for the winter, or until it's empty. This is my Junk Journal January journal. It's getting kind of chunky. So check them out. Check out my other videos. Thanks so much, and we'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.